Hello, partners. My name is Erika Joana Calderon. I am studying industrial engineering. I am from of the city Pereira, Saralta. Today I come to talk I like about some vacations that I had a few days ago. I traveled together with my family to come a place the market a point in the history of Colombia, which is the Naples state, um, which currently benefits many families since inherited a lot of employment in the region. Personally, I thought it was a wonderful place. It has beautiful tours full of nature, animals, attractions, but mechanical and aquatic. In the tour, shows us one of the horror stories that the country life where they explain where Pablo Escobar his house was and a light story in the sound why there is a small museum where you can see the photos and even really the tarot cards that Pablo used. In general, is it a place full of history which shows us a hard reality that the country life, but also teach us that things can change for good. Recommend that to enjoy with the family. Good afternoon.